Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to prepare a compact tractor for storage. A master carpenter once said, however you put your tools away is how you find them the next time you need them. In other words, take care of your tools and they'll take care of you. Now, a tractor is a tool for helping you get all kinds of jobs done around your place. So if you think you won't be using yours for an extended period of time, you should go through the process of storing it properly. Do that, and the process of getting it ready to use again will be faster and easier. The best way to do that is to follow the instructions in your operator's manual. It provides a clear, step-by-step guide on what to do and how to do it. But here are a few tips you won't find in the OEM that can really make your life easier. 1. Keeping your machine clean is the first step toward having a well-maintained machine. So here's a tip. A pressure washer with a hose and wand is a mighty handy tool to have around. Gas or electric powered, whichever suits your particular situation better. It'll make cleaning your tractor so much easier than just using a hose and spray nozzle. 2. The OM will tell you to lubricate all grease points. Some of those points look like this and are called grease zerks. You see them on implements too. Attach a grease gun to the zerk and inject grease. This will keep all the joints and wear points on your tractor in good working order and lasting longer. 3. Air pressure is important, so an air compressor is another handy tool to have around. You can inflate tires to the proper PSI. Add an air nozzle and you can clean your tractor's engine compartment and more. 4. Battery maintenance and storage is another important step. A battery maintainer is a device that will send a trickle of electricity to the battery and trick it into thinking it's in use. Helps keep your battery alive and in good working order. Now remember, always read the operator's manual before storing or operating any piece of equipment, and follow all operating and safety instructions. And if you're looking for implements and other tools that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, you'll find them and all kinds of advice on how to use them every day at your John Deere dealer.